Kuha lang kami ng mga consumo. Ayan. Thomas. Say hi.
Hello, how you guys doing?
Oh. Chocolates. Chocolates. Ayan. Tissue. Back tissue. Yeah. Hi.
How about
I'm gonna get the coconut juice.
water?
Ay, coconut water. Kasi napakainit. Ayan. And then milk. Kasi matakaw kami sa milk.
$16 today.
Wow. And then eggs. Matakaw si Thomas sa eggs. Ganun din ako. Boiled eggs.
I'm not gonna sit there. Ano?
Ayan. Mga importante lang. Bananas, walnuts for our smoothie. Berries, right?
Oh yeah, we just passed the berries.
Berries para sa smoothie. Maliliit. Ang daming tao kasi maraming sale. Yun ang mga kinuha namin. Walnut, berries, coconut water, milk, eggs, and bathroom tissue.